Welcome back, my friends and family. In today's video, my husband will be making this delicious taco salad, so stay tuned.
Okay, ladies and gentlemen, this is how we roll. Right now we're gonna work on some taco, so stay tuned and you'll see what's up. Follow us and how we rolls cook. All right, so you can all see my pot is preheated, ready to go, all greased up and ready. So we're gonna, yeah. And this is your ground beef. So what I'll be doing now, I'll be cooking off this meat and then I'm gonna extract the excess fat. Alright? No excess fat in the meat. Oh yeah, I'm applying a little flavor to it right now. Just some black pepper, basic, black pepper. Nothing crazy. Yeah, and this is some all-purpose flavor I'm using right now. The Cajun flavor, not too much. And this is what we're working with. Taco seasoning spice, nice. Oh yeah, like I was saying, I might have some fat to extract from this meat, but no, it's actually good quality, 90% lean, so it's good quality meat right here. So see, no grease, no excess grease. So yeah, we're on the right track. Yeah, and there's some onion, the onion flavor. Yeah, and there we got a little garlic flavor up in there. And this is an easy to cook thing. This is like a 5 minutes thing. It's no long stressed out cooking some taco meat. Very easy. Just make sure your skillet is real hot. Add your meat, add your flavors, and I mean 5 minutes you're good to go. Yeah, lettuce preparation for the salad. Chopping up some lettuce leaves. Ta-da! Yeah, we're rolling out the shell, yeah? Alright, so we're gonna get this shell started. Alright, so here we go. Yeah, right now I'm just frying my taco shell. Trying to get it in this shape. Okay, so yeah, we're ready now. We got our taco shell ready and we're gonna get it loaded. So here we're gonna apply a little lettuce. Gonna apply a little taco meat. A little more lettuce, more taco meat. Lettuce, we got meat, we got lettuce, we got meat, so it's kind of mixed in. And we're gonna throw in a little pepper. Some little shredded cheese. Cheese.
So add some mozzarella and cheddar.
Yeah, cheddar and mozzarella mix. Mix and match. Up a few pieces of tomatoes too. Just like that, just like that. So here we go, friends and family, finishing touch, and that's what it looks like. You have yourself a taco salad, good to go. So So thank you guys for watching how we roast cook. We appreciate it. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. Alright? Hope to see you pretty soon.
Thank you all so much for watching. You can go ahead, drizzle on any of your favorite salad dressing and enjoy. Have a beautiful and blessed weekend, and we'll catch you in our next one.